I've decided to go and do something a bit silly. It's about 7:30 on a Friday night, and I decided a long time ago that 300 kilometers was going to be my next distance challenge. I just didn't think I'd be doing it today. I got back from work and I thought, why not? So I'm going to go overnighter. So the route is from Bromley, come down to the coast and basically go around all the coast of Kent, all the seaside towns, and then stop in Eastbourne, which is give or take 300 kilometers. Now, my current distance record is 210, so this is an extra 90. So it's not a giant leap, but it is a leap. And we'll have to see how it goes. I'm on the gravel bike, I've got plenty of supplies with me, so let's see. Very noisy. However, I've come through Dartford, I'm kind of on my way to Strood now, and then we're going to go through Faversham. Alright, as I was saying on the motorway, you might not have heard me, heading towards Strood, then Faversham, then we're going to dip into Canterbury and back up again because I needed to add some distance to the route. So we're going to do that. It'll probably be dark by then. The GoPro is awful in the dark, so I might not record much until morning. I'll just kind of give you brief updates on where I am, so hopefully the darkness won't last too long. So it's not much fun to watch. All you can see is a black grainy blur. But right now we're just still following the long straight road. Very boring. I know I moan about it in basically every video, but it is the most efficient and fast rolling way to get to Strood. So sun has already set, it's starting to get dark. Okay, I think we're coming into Strood now. I've never noticed this giant castle here. I was about to ask where I am. I've just never come in this way before, I've normally come down the main road. Alright, it is 9:45. Just come through Strood and Rochester, and now we're coming through, I think this is some kind of nature reserve right on the river. And then we'll be on our way to like Faversham, etc, etc. This might be cycleway 1, but I can't remember. "70 kilometers done." Next big town we're going to go through is Faversham. Then we're going to hit the coast for a little bit, and then down and up again from Canterbury, and then we'll be following the coast all the way around. There's a big firework display going on in the sky over there. I bet it won't do it now that I'm recording. Oh, there's a little one. I'm sure I just saw some lightning strikes. So there was definitely 20-30% chance of rain throughout this ride. So I'm probably going to get hit looking at it. Yeah, I can't hear anything yet, so it's obviously a very long way away. But just passing through Faversham now. 80k done. Closing up on 1/3 of the route. Probably can't see it well, but that is the Faversham Brewery. I've never tried it, but a friend who lives here said it wasn't great. No, it's definitely a storm. I just saw a massive crackle of lightning down here. It was like 2 or 3 lightning bolts. It's not going to do it now. God damn it. Oh, that was immense though. Whoa. Yeah, there's something going on. There's absolutely no thunder. There's light everywhere. Alright, carrying on. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it is raining now. So yeah, definitely a storm. Definitely heading my way. It's not too bad yet. Might have to get the rain jacket out in a bit though. Huge crack of lightning just happened. See if there's another one. There's one hell of a light show tonight. On one hand, it's raining pretty hard now, so that sucks. But on the other hand, this light show is keeping me entertained. Nothing. Whoa, there we go. Oh my god, it's getting closer. Should I be worried? I mean, nah. The spooky bride aways at midnight. Well, it's probably almost midnight actually. Can't give you an update on location just yet because I'm really not sure, but we're way past Faversham now. Oh yeah, that storm is still brewing. Definitely hearing some thunder cracks now. Oh, it's really coming down now. Holy crap. I'm at 93k. We can celebrate 100 for 1/3. Just past the sign for Canterbury. We in it. Must be about midnight or just after. I need to check my watch in a minute. But yeah, we're making pretty good time. I set off at like 7:30, 7:45. We've done 100k. 7, 8, 9, 10 in about 4.5 hours. That's pretty good going. We just hit 100k, just come through the centre of Canterbury. Now we're heading back up for the coast. I'm feeling good. I've really tried to make sure I don't blow my legs up too early, which is what always happens on these endurance rides. I feel really good, I blow my legs up, and then, you know, the second half is a real nightmare. Following the Crab and Winkle trail out of Canterbury, which takes me north pretty much all the way to the coast actually. We are on Invicta Way and we have been for quite some time. Guessing it used to be a Roman road because it is straight as an arrow. It's been going for bloody ages. We are at Whitstable. There's the station. We are continuing down this path here to the coast. We're very close now. Nice. Found some shelter, so having a bite to eat. Still in Whitstable. I think this path heads straight to the coast. I'm actually going to carry on now because I'm starting to get a little bit cold. We are at the beach. Not that you can tell. I swear there's water over there. Yeah. Progress. Stage 2 begins. Oh. Yeah, you probably can't see anything on the camera, but it is very dark out there. There's no lights at all. Now, I can't remember which comes first. I think we're about to hit Reculver, and we'll go past the towers. If I routed that way, I think I did. And this town right here, I can't remember the name of it. but it's got that big seawall with the rock. I'm going to cycle around that, not that you'll be able to see it. I don't know if you can see that, that's the big clock tower on the seafront near Reculver. I don't know if I'm in Reculver now, I haven't seen these signs. Probably not, but very close I think. Can you see it? Maybe a little bit. It's the towers. Yeah, now we've got a load of sea defences to cycle down. We're at the huge sea defence wall with the chalky cliffs. I wish I could remember the place name. But I'm taking it a bit slow down here because I don't want to ride my bike into the sea, which is like right there off a cliff. So yeah, but it's quite nice down here. Obviously when it's storming, probably not the nicest, but right now it's alright. Margate was the name of the town I couldn't think of. Yeah, I'm in Margate. So we're getting into the corner of the country now. I think there's a couple of other towns and then we'll turn south and start heading round the bend. I think I've already gone round the bend trying to do this trip, but that's besides the point. Oh, not recorded for a while. Come through Margate out the other side now, still just following the I was going to say beach, but it's kind of just a sea defence. But yeah, kind of following that. Still raining really hard, keeps on like pretending to peter out and then it comes back on again, so I think I'm just gonna have to live with the fact that it's going to rain forever. So I'm kind of making my peace with that now. Just hit 150 kilometers, halfway. Definitely feeling some fatigue now, especially on hills and things. Just trying to keep going at average pace, nothing crazy. See how far these legs can carry me. We'll see. I don't know how well it's coming out on the GoPro, but it's starting to get light. There's a little bit of blue haze on the horizon. Everything isn't pitch black anymore. Wow. I'm actually going to check the time, hang on. I haven't checked for hours and hours and hours. It's 4:35. That would explain why the sun is coming up. Oh, hang on a minute, look at this. Let's just see where I am. Ramsgate, there you go. Oh, that clears that up. Alright, maybe there's enough light now to start using the GoPro properly again. As you can see, that's the coast, I think. Everything is rather grey, rather cloudy and rather miserable. Here's me waiting for the sun to come up. I'm not sure I'm going to see it. I've just entered Sandwich. I might even have a sandwich. I'm starting to get a bit peckish. It'll be my last sandwich though. I'm trying to remember what time the convenience stores open on Saturday. It might be like 8 or something. So, gotta pace myself a little bit until they start opening. Yeah, sandwich. Look at that. We did it. We have just hit 100 miles. Alright, so we're over halfway. That feels pretty good. Only just over halfway, but still. It's a nice nice little marker. Oh my god. I really don't remember putting so much gravel into this. I thought it was a road slog. It's a beautiful morning, mostly. If you look that way, it is anyway. There is starting to be a little bit of sky poking through, so there's hope. There's hope. I might be able to start drying myself off. Every time the rain stops, I start getting excited, and then it starts again. So I'm not going to get excited until there is blue sky. We're at 170-ish K, closing in on my current record, which is 210. So that'll be the next big celebration, I think. We are in Deal, which means we're starting to get close to Dungeness. A little bit anyway. I think Dungeness will be after the 200k mark, which we're getting closer to now. I think we're on 175, or it might be a bit over that now. I did checked a little while ago. But yeah, the kilometers are slowly shrinking. Alright, I'm approaching Dover. Unfortunately, I'm starting to not feel too great. I seem to hit this wall all of a sudden. Happens on quite a few rides, so I'm feeling good, then all of a sudden I am not feeling good, which is a real shame. I'm going to stop in a minute and eat the rest of my food and drink and see if that can perk me up a bit. If not, then I might stop in Dover, which is the next big stop. There's a train direct to Bromley, so that'd be nice if that ends up being the case. Oh, it's a shame. It's just, I've been watching the last 15k of this 100 tick down really slowly. My legs have just run out of energy. There's Dover Castle. I didn't realise I was so close. I'm not even going to make it to 200. I mean, my mind's already set. I'm going to stop at Dover Priory. My body has had enough. You've got to listen to it.